Hi everyone. Today let's see how we can validate closing and post entries in point of sale. That is, after creating orders, we can find an option to close the session and validate accounting entries, journal entries. So here, when you open point of sale, you can see bars and shops. So first we have to set a journal, that is it is a mandatory field, that is here we can see under accounting section you can see journal entries. So here we can configure journal entries, that is journal, that is for posting journal entries of POS orders. So you can see the sales journal is point of sale. Okay, so let's start a new session and make some orders for this in this session and make payment and just close this. So when you do that, here we'll be able to see an option to resume the session, that is continue selling, or close the session. So when you click on close, you'll be redirected to a page in order to close and validate entries. And here you can see the last closing of the session was the date can be viewed here. Okay, so now let's close this. And when you click that, you can see an option to close session and post entries. And if you don't want to close session or post entries, then you can click on continue selling. And so here you can see it details, like it is opened by um, username, you can see that. And here you can see the point of sale, which point of sale name. Then here we can see the opening date and time of the session. Then here you can see the orders. So here we have paid orders. And then when you click on this, you can see the payments. So here we can see the date and you can see the payment method. You can see that. Then if you click close session and post entries, then the session will be closed and entries will be posted. So here when you so after clicking that, you can see uh, two tabs here, that is for pickings and journal items. So when you click on pickings, you'll be able to see the transfer created, that is transfer created from stock to customer location. And here when you click on this, you can see that transfer in detail with all schedule date and all. Then here we can see journal items. So when you click on this, you can see journal items corresponding to that session, corresponding to that order. You can see that. Here you can see the entry and items can be seen with debit, credit, amount and currency, and the account, then journal entry and all. Then date at which it is created. And here you can see the status is closed, and that is status closed and posted. If you have provided in any cash control, then at that time, like closing control, you can will be able to see this state closing control. And when a session is in progress, then you will be able to see in progress. And and here you can also see the journal entry automatically added here, then the opening date and closing date with that is opening date with time and closing date with time. While you close a session or post entries, you have to make sure that there are no draft orders, that is no orders in new state. That is, orders have to be posted, only posted orders. If there are orders in draft state or new state, then we can't post entries, we can't close session or post entries. And if you have given any cash control, advanced cash control for your point of sale session, then you have to make sure that there are no amount difference. So after clearing those things, only you can post entries, that is close session and post entries. Okay, so if you come back, you can see again it is a new session, and again you can start a new session. So that's how we close and that's how we validate closing and post entries in POIs.
If you're interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.